Did you know that nearly 70% of household items can be repaired with just a few simple tools and a little bit of know-how? This staggering statistic reveals a truth that many homeowners overlook. The art of DIY repairs can save both time and money while transforming the often daunting task of home maintenance into a manageable endeavor. Imagine standing in your kitchen, staring at a leaky faucet, and realizing that with just a few minutes and minimal materials, you can fix it yourself instead of calling a plumber and waiting for days. Let's start with one of the most common household annoyances: the leaky faucet. A dripping faucet not only wastes water but can also drive anyone mad with its incessant sound. To tackle this issue, you need a few basic tools: an adjustable wrench, a screwdriver, and some plumber's tape. First, turn off the water supply to the faucet. This is crucial to avoid a mini indoor waterfall. Next, remove the handle by unscrewing it with the screwdriver. Once you have access to the inner workings, check the washer. This is often the culprit behind leaks. If it's worn out, simply replace it with a new one, which you can find at any hardware store. Reassemble the faucet, turn the water supply back on, and voila! You've just saved yourself a service call and some cash. Another common issue that many homeowners face is squeaky doors. The sound of a door creaking can be irritating, especially during late-night bathroom trips. Fortunately, fixing this is as easy as grabbing some lubricant. A can of WD-40 or even a bar of soap can work wonders. Simply spray or rub the lubricant onto the hinges, then open and close the door a few times to work it in. If you're feeling particularly ambitious, you can remove the door from its hinges, clean them thoroughly, and apply a fresh coat of lubricant for a long-lasting fix. This simple act not only enhances the functionality of your door, but also contributes to a more peaceful home environment. Broken furniture is another common household issue that can seem overwhelming. Whether it's a wobbly chair or a cracked table, many people might consider tossing it out. However, with a little creativity and some basic materials, you can breathe new life into your furniture. Take a wobbly chair, for instance. All you need is wood glue and clamps. First, assess where the chair is loose. Apply wood glue to the joints, then clamp them together tightly, and allow the glue to cure as per the instructions on the bottle. This simple fix can extend the life of your furniture significantly. For a cracked table, you may need wood filler. Sand the area around the crack, apply the filler, and once it's dry, sand it down to create a smooth surface. With a little paint or stain, your table can look as good as new. Now, let's delve into a surprising fix that many homeowners may not consider: repairing a torn screen door. Instead of replacing the entire screen, which can be costly and time-consuming, you can easily patch it up. All you need is a roll of screen repair tape, which is available at most hardware stores. Start by cleaning the area around the tear to ensure a good bond. Cut a piece of the tape to size, then firmly press it over the tear, smoothing out any bubbles. This quick fix not only saves you money but also keeps those pesky bugs out of your home. As you embark on these DIY repairs, it's essential to remember that preparation is key. Having a basic toolkit at your disposal can make all the difference. A hammer, screwdriver set, pliers, a measuring tape, and a level are foundational tools that can help tackle most household issues. Additionally, investing in a good quality caulk gun and some caulk can help with everything from sealing windows to fixing gaps around sinks. Beyond the immediate benefits of saving money and time, DIY repairs foster a sense of accomplishment. Each successful fix boosts confidence, encouraging homeowners to tackle even more challenging projects. The satisfaction of turning a problem into a solution is immensely rewarding. It transforms the perception of home maintenance from a chore into an opportunity for creativity and self-sufficiency. Furthermore, these DIY skills can be passed down through generations, creating a culture of resourcefulness. Teaching children how to fix simple things around the house not only equips them with valuable skills for their future, but also instills a sense of responsibility for their living environment. They learn that problems don't always require a professional. Often, a little ingenuity and effort can yield impressive results. In this age of consumerism, Where throwing things away often seems easier than repairing them, embracing the DIY mindset can lead to a more sustainable lifestyle. By choosing to repair rather than replace, you contribute to reducing waste and conserving resources. Each small act of repair adds up, creating a ripple effect that can inspire others to do the same. The world of DIY repairs is vast and filled with potential. From fixing leaky faucets and squeaky doors to mending torn screens and wobbly furniture, the possibilities are endless. Each project not only saves money, but also transforms the way you interact with your home. So, the next time you encounter a household annoyance, remember that with a little patience and some basic tools, you can tackle it yourself. Embrace the challenge, and you might just find that the satisfaction of a job well done is the best reward of all.